Day after Christmas. What's up, guys? Oh yeah, let's see if we find something wrong here. White wire. That looks like it was cut to me. And the gas is turned off. So we need to inspect. Ductwork crosses into ceiling. This door south side. Alright, so this was cut and the gas is off. That one's on in heating. That one's on in heating, as we can see. And I got me a new drill, 2-stage. As we can see, that thing is on and blazing. Whew. So, just need to figure out why this wire was cut and why the gas is off. My guess is going to be a cracked heat exchanger, but we are going to check that out. So hold on, let's do it together. Let's do it together. Oh, my hands don't freeze. Oh, I like this new drill. It's so nice. It's so nice, so nice. Let's see, one right there. And they put a quarter in there? These goofballs. Put quarter-inch screws in. Silly quarter screws. Let's see. What does our exchanger look like? Ouch. Goofball. Let me grab my flashlight. Actually, hold on. Let me turn my flashlight on here. That'll help. I don't see why this was shut off. Okay. Huh. To me, I don't see any. That's not cracked. It's still. Oh, there it is. Right there. Right there. See him? So you gotta inspect real close. So it does have a cracked heat exchanger. Alright. Well, that's the reason why the gas is off. Alright, easy enough. This one. Ooh, I got a new UEI meter too. Got a new. This one's really cool. It's got a magnet on it. Fucking super excited, man. Got a whole bunch of new tools. So, you know, stick it right in there. Let's see. And this way, let's see. Look at that. Cold hands, warm heart. Stick that bad boy. It's even got a magnet on it. Look at that. Boom. Look at that. UEI. Love it. Let me get our supply temp. I had a 68.9 return. So, now we're going to do the same thing over there. I got my Klein. And we're going to stick in there and see what our supply is. This one's, I like the UEI one a little better, but this one's pretty good. So you really can't complain. So I should be able to. And I need the drill. But that's what I'm doing. You guys have an awesome day. Rock and roll. White stuff on the ground. My nose is runny, but that's okay. So you guys stay warm out here. If you guys get cold, start warming up. You know what I mean? So, boom. Boom. Alright. That bad boy in there. Turned on. Bada bing, bada boom. Alright, guys. Enjoy the day. We'll see you here in a little bit. Rock and roll. Later.